Okay, so you're looking at the newest engine buy. Sorry if the wind noise is annoying you, but looking along it. It's in a casing. Probably told you before. It is a Lister G. Radiator cooled, single cylinder. It's complete, apart from the belt and the side panels. But other than that, it's complete turns over. I don't know if it's got spark, but carburetor and all that's complete. It's got a spare magneto coupling kit. Got the exhaust tube here. I'm going to cut off now for you. This will be the panel that will come off. So that comes off there. These scissors are broke. Yep. There for a second. Now you can see the radiator. Empty, of course. Exhaust pipe coming out there. It's got the air filter, which is nice. Need to get some scissors on them. Starting handle. There. There we go. That's weird. Just turn this over and it smells of gas. It smells of gas, like propane. Weird. Well, it might be a house. Hang on, let me just check the house. All our gas burners are off. Oh, no. I'm trying to very strongly smell it. Couple more snips. There we go. Exhaust pipe off. Bit tall. But yeah, it's nice. Have a look around here. Take off all these. Got on-off switch. As I say, some spare magneto couplings. Got the ones on. Zenith carb on it. Oh no, Solux carb on it. All the throttle system seems to work. It's been drained of oil, obviously, because of palleting. Yeah, it looks alright. So I'm going to take out the plug and attach the... Hang on. Oh, plug's loose. There we go, even better. A little bit nasty. Ah, it's this that smells of gas. Very strongly smells of gas, but anyway. HT lead. Let's see what we can do. See if you spot anything. Anyway, so you've seen it now. It stinks of gas, it's weird. Really strongly smells of propane. Like eggy propane. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. Just need to move the trailer tent so we can get down the side of the house. It turns over fine. Don't know if it's got a spark. But yeah, it shouldn't take much. It's got a RS1 mag, I think, or SR1. Could do with probably a new plug, but not too big a problem. Should be empty of fuel. Yeah, it's empty. It's always a good thing. But yeah, just need to get a belt for it and then it should be okay. And get it on a nicer trolley, obviously. And maybe free off a few bits and get it a tap or a bung. I've been told I had a weld somewhere, but I can't seem to see it. Maybe I'm just missing it. Either way, I'll find it somewhere. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to leave a comment, please do. And I'll see you in the next video.